Let's start with July's game changer, the App Studio AI expansion that's about to democratize blockchain development in ways nobody saw coming. Pi Network is rolling out a no-code platform powered by artificial intelligence that allows users to build decentralized applications using nothing but natural language prompts. Think about what this means. Millions of non-technical pioneers can now create blockchain-integrated tools by simply describing what they want to build. The platform includes a chatbot builder for topic-specific AI assistance, a web app generator for full-scale applications, and seamless integration with Pi Browser, Pi Wallet, and PI domains. This isn't just feature expansion, this is Pi Network positioning itself at the intersection of AI and crypto, a convergent space projected to explode in value over the next 2 years. While other blockchains require coding expertise and technical knowledge, Pi is removing every barrier between ideas and implementation. This creates a network effect where innovation compounds exponentially. More apps attract more users demand more functionality, and more functionality attracts enterprise partnerships. We're looking at the foundation for ecosystem growth that could rival established platforms. Think of the democratization effect at scale, creation without technical gatekeepers. Now let's talk about August's introduction of staking and NFT rewards. Features that transform Pi from a speculative asset into a wealth-generating mechanism. Users will lock their P-coin to earn passive income streams while receiving unique digital assets that represent their ecosystem contributions. The staking system includes pools for supporting dApps and infrastructure, NFT rewards tied to activity and governance participation, and enhanced visibility for staked applications in the Pi directory. This creates multiple revenue streams, staking rewards, NFT appreciation, and increased app visibility for creators. Here's what separates this from traditional staking platforms. Pi's 60 million user base provides immediate utility and demand for staked services. When you stake P-coin to support an app, you're not betting on theoretical future adoption. You're earning from an established user ecosystem that's already actively engaged. The NFT component adds scarcity and collectability to ecosystem participation. These aren't random art projects, they're functional digital assets that reflect real contributions to platform development. Early stakers will receive the rarest NFTs, creating both immediate value and long-term appreciation potential. If you're starting to understand why Pi Network's systematic approach to feature rollout represents a completely different investment thesis than speculative crypto projects, smash that like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto World right now. What I'm about to reveal about the KYC dashboard upgrade could explain why over 500,000 users have already migrated to Mainnet, and why the September update could unlock millions more Pi tokens for active trading. Hit that notification bell because missing the Q4 marketplace launch details could mean missing the shift that transforms Pi from experiment to economy. September brings the KYC dashboard upgrade designed to accelerate identity verification and unlock millions of Pi tokens currently trapped in tentative status. The enhanced system includes streamlined verification workflows, regional support for previously blocked users, and back-end improvements for faster mainnet migration. This matters because verified identity is the gateway to full Pi ecosystem participation. Without KYC completion, users can't stake, vote in DAO governance, or participate in the upcoming marketplace. The dashboard upgrade removes bottlenecks that have prevented mass adoption, creating a clear path for millions of users to transition from observers to active participants. Over 500,000 users have already completed this migration following recent improvements. The September upgrade aims to scale this number exponentially, ensuring that Pi Network's massive user base can fully engage with upcoming features. This verification acceleration directly impacts P-coin demand. More verified users means more staking, more governance participation, and more marketplace activity. If you're following these updates, make sure you're subscribed to catch the Q4 marketplace launch coverage. Q3 introduces DAO voting and governance, the feature that transforms Pi Network from a centralized project into a community-controlled ecosystem. Verified users will make decisions on development priorities, app approvals, and protocol upgrades through on-chain voting mechanisms. The system includes proposal submission by verified members, weighted voting based on staking and reputation, and transparent decision-making that affects platform direction. This isn't symbolic governance. DAO votes will determine which features get developed, which apps receive promotion, and how ecosystem resources get allocated. True decentralization creates sustainable competitive advantages. When users control platform development, they're invested in long-term success rather than short-term speculation. This governance model attracts serious builders and enterprises who want assurance that platform decisions reflect community needs rather than corporate interests. When users control platform development, they're invested in long-term success rather than short-term speculation. Now here's the development that changes everything. Q3 and Q4 will see fiat gateway testing and marketplace launch, creating the infrastructure for Pi Network's transformation into a complete decentralized economy. Fiat gateways enable users to convert P-coin into traditional currency and vice versa through licensed payment processors. Regional pilots will test compliance with financial regulations, creating the foundation for mainstream adoption where PI functions like digital cash for everyday transactions. The Q4 marketplace launch represents the culmination of every previous update. Users will shop, trade, and offer services using P-coin through a platform that includes listings for goods and digital assets, smart contract-based escrow and dispute resolution, and full integration with Pi Wallet and identity verification. This creates the first truly accessible decentralized economy. Unlike complex DeFi platforms that require technical expertise, Pi's marketplace offers familiar shopping experiences powered by blockchain infrastructure. Users can earn through staking, govern through DAO participation, create through App Studio, and spend through marketplace transactions, all within one integrated ecosystem. The strategic implications are massive. Each feature enhances P-coin utility and creates demand pressure. If you're recognizing that Pi Network's systematic feature rollout represents genuine utility development rather than speculative token creation, show some love by crushing that like button and make sure you're subscribed with notifications enabled. This roadmap analysis represents the kind of fundamental research that separates profitable crypto investing from gambling on price movements. I'll be tracking each milestone implementation and its impact on ecosystem growth, developments you can't afford to miss. The link is right there in the description, and after exploring those analyses, you'll understand exactly which blockchain platforms are creating long-term wealth through measurable utility rather than social media campaigns. That's our comprehensive breakdown of Pi Network's second half 2025 roadmap and why it represents a fundamental shift from experimental blockchain to functioning decentralized economy. We've explored AI-powered development tools, wealth-generating staking mechanisms, identity verification acceleration, community governance implementation, and the fiat marketplace combination that creates real-world utility. This roadmap demonstrates exactly what separates sustainable blockchain projects from speculative tokens, systematic feature development that creates measurable user value rather than marketing hype designed to pump prices. Pi Network's 60 million user base provides the perfect testing ground for proving whether decentralized economies can actually function at mainstream scale. Your engagement drives everything we accomplish here at TJ Crypto World. Every like, every comment, every share enables us to continue delivering analysis that focuses on fundamental developments over market speculation. If this Pi Network roadmap breakdown opened your eyes to how real crypto adoption happens through utility rather than hype, I've created an entire playlist examining projects building sustainable value through documented problem solving. Until next time, this is TJ from TJ Crypto World, reminding you that in the blockchain space, projects that build systematic utility don't just survive market cycles. They define the infrastructure for the next generation of digital economy. See you in the next breakdown.